Hello traders, this is the Frequency in its FX trading channel, and continuing from the video we did yesterday, I just want to update you people on the trade that we took on the Step 400 index, how it went. It was a win trade, and I will show you the contract details right now. I've just reloaded the screen so it can actually load up, and I was so happy when I saw it won. It won literally 2 to just 1 hour after our analysis on the pair. The trade was won, and that was sort of like a live signal. So for people who watch me and who are looking forward for me making live videos, this is something that I want to do. I'm going to implement this idea of making live videos where I would come on camera here and share live signals with all those who want to trade small accounts. Okay, that was a plus $2, and of course I would have also instructed people with higher account sizes on how they can trade that particular asset. Since the network is giving me some sort of bugs here, so I'm going to refresh the page right now so it works even faster. So this happens often when you want to open your deriv. It loads like this. All you need to do is reload it. So this is 3:49 p.m. a Monday noon in Lagos, Nigeria, and hot afternoon, and in a very big market at Yaba doing this analysis. So you see, trading can be done anywhere by anybody from anywhere around the world. No matter where you are, you can trade every day, every time, and everywhere. Hurry is a good signal for entry, right account management plan, and risk management plans as well. That's where you are going to get yourself done. So you can see this is a win for us, and that is a plus $2 to our equity, and I was so happy immediately it won. So like, this was where it was taken from. Right here you see on the screen this red line, and then our TP was it at this point. So guys, that's a blue flag for me. It's a green flag here, and I just wanted to show you people, because I promised I was going to come online and show you guys how the trade went. So what I want to do now is to get another signal from the same asset, as I want to scale this account to a bigger account. Okay, with your attention and time, you are going to understand better how we are doing this, because we aim at teaching you how to executing trades all by yourself, even when we are not there to show you how to do it. And in the previous video, before I took the trade, I made sure I opened the chart. After opening the chart, I analyzed it, telling you why I think the market will go down. I zoomed out. I went to the day one time frame, zoomed out. The video is going to be in a playlist where I say account growth process. All right, that is another key precepts I'm going to be applying to the channel. I'll be making a playlist on that one, so that whenever you just go there, you see the videos from day one, how we started turning this $32 account all the way to the max. Okay, so remember in the previous video I told you, of course it is a demo account, and anything done here can also be done on a real account, just so you are not losing focus, right? You can see it's a demo account and it's 13,000 USD, 13,034.72 USD up here, and it was 13,034, but I said we are only going to be using the fraction of this 34 as our account growth process, and our risk to reward ratio would be based on this factor, that we are trading a $32 account, and now we have added plus $2 in equity as our profits to it. So this is for people who are trading small accounts too. And yes, the signals that I will be sharing in this channel can be applied on larger accounts. You can use it to trade big accounts. Even if you have $100 or more in your account, you can use these signals to executing trades on your huge account balance. So that is how we start this. And yes, we are going to just continue this video, and then I think it's going to be contradictory, whereby you come around and then you are not able to meet this trade. You just watch it and then it happened. It's a premiere. I'm going to put it on a premiere so that you are live whenever you see it. You can also trade with it. But then I'm also going to be coming live here. I will notify you people on my live videos, where I would make videos on signals that are going to be taken on several accounts, and people with small accounts and big accounts can immediately execute trades using the same free signals. Okay, of course we do back testing before executing trades in this market. We do severe back testings before executing trades in this market, but that is from our side, and we tell you how we did it, and you're able to do it by your own self. But in a larger word format, not everybody is ready to sit down beside the chart and do analysis for themselves. Not everybody wants to take up the stress of studying the charts by themselves and trying to graph in all of those candlesticks. It can be so stressful, and that is when we tell you to join VIP for unlimited signals. If you have plans on growing your account to a specified amount of capital, you have a particular capital and you want to increase it, you want to multiply it, multiplied by 200, by 200, by 500, it is available in the VIP premium group. That is when we tell you join the VIP premium course for all of this. So if there is a link giving you to join our Telegram and you're not joining, then you're not doing all you're hot to do. So you need to take the first step of joining the free Telegram account and also making endeavor to messaging us, as our various social media handle are reachable and on top of our channel link. Okay, you can see them under the description of our channel, Frequency Init FX. You can always click on where I sold you people to direct message Gerald Safix on Telegram. If you DM Gerald Safix, it's going to add you straight to the premium channel and explain all the plans to you. But back to why we are here today. The premium course, of course, is the reason we are here. The signal, per to say, if this is not getting to you live right now, I apologize, and there's going to be adjustment in the channel, but the signal and I'm about to updating to you people is going to be live. And yes, in case you are trading with $34, in case you're trading with $34, my minimum account management plan for whosoever is coming into this market is $30 minimum. Okay, $30 minimum, and I will give you the proper risk management to follow. $30. When you have $30, we start with you, start teaching you everything you need to understand. If you have $30, you can start trading with our signals, and that is because our signals often comes with some risk to reward ratio that would seem so obvious to a very tiny account like $20 or $10. Of course, we cannot lose your $30 to the point where it gets to 20. We have strict risk management plans that covers all of that protocol. So that is what we are doing. So right now, this is a $34 account progress. It's a +2 USD, and then we are executing another trade on that bias. So let's go to trade and see the best market in a good condition for execution. We are going to look for a market we can just execute here right now, and I'm thinking this step 400 index again is my go-to for execution. But already I made some analysis on step 400 index last night, and I was not seeing any potential buy or sell, so I'm going to skip step 400 and use another pair instead of step 400. So instead of step 400 index, let's say I want to trade the bear index market. Okay, I'm not trading even or odd, I'm trading multiplier. This is a multiplier to be traded. Yeah, let's just go there. Multiplier doesn't offer that asset, but what multiplier offers is gold basket. Let's see how we can bask in gold. So I think everybody should be investing in gold right now. Gold is buying, and increasing in value. Its current value is the gold basket is currently $1 million 64,800 and you see it moves. Okay, so its equity to dollar is equals 1 million. I think this asset basically emulates gold. Okay, it emulates golds mainly, and that is what it does. So let's see if we can find some I would like to trade forex. Yes, and I did some analysis on some forex pairs or commodities. I want to trade gold itself. So we see gold is currently $4,675 and keeps increasing in value. If I zoom out, this is the day one, I will zoom out and see that gold is going higher. So what I want to do is to scale into a smaller time frame, like the 4 hours, and see what is happening. If I have any turnover that is telling me not to buy. Of course there isn't. Every search suggests we go up. So I'm trading gold and I'm buying with a stake of $2. So it's a live signal. Boom, as you see, it has been executed. I just bought gold and I will be modifying my order. So this is for people with accounts with 30 USD or less. If you are trading an account of maybe $100,000, you can risk more on this, but make sure you're using our stop loss and take profit. Okay, if you wanted my personal direction and advice on how much you should be risking on your large account balance, you should let me know. So we've just taken a gold trade and it's a buy. And yes, where we determine our take profit is where we modify. We go to position, and when we go to position, we click on the asset itself. All you need to do is click on it. After you click on it, you set take profit. Already there's an automatic stop loss that will just get triggered once it gets to $46.28. Oh wow, you can see it's actually winning for us now. So our take profit is going to be $2, just like usual, and our stop loss is going to be $2, the same amount of money we invested. So now that I've just done this, I'll go to my MetaTrader 5 and then show you these numbers and graph. So you see it there. All right, so that's gonna let us understand where we're gonna be getting before this asset reaches its full potential or goes against us. So we don't always have to put our emotions in play when we are trading these assets as a play. So right now, this is the gold, and I've just bought, and the stop loss is 47.2183. So I'll pause the video right now and just go over to the gold in the MetaTrader 5. So yes, I've just had it good, yeah, and I need to just do the modification on the chart right now. I'll pull out my, just go to the D1 so it's easy for me, and then I'll be using my drawing tool. So the analysis has been done, as you can see on the screen right now. Now all we have to do is to wait for this market to just give us the movement it can give, and we are going to be banking in either profit or loss at the end of the day. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is where the take profit is. That was where we entered at. That's the stop loss area down there. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. See, it's currently raising profit. It's gonna take a while to get here, and if it does, it's a win. But if we go sideways, then we lost. So this is the proper way to trade gold. So if you're trading gold, buy with us and make sure you're executing all the wins as we are making profits. So I'll be ending this video right now. This is the Frequency in it FX trading channel. If this is your first time in this channel, make sure you like, you subscribe, and then you share the video to your friend. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Frequency in it.